iCloud Activation Lock could prevent others from accessing your device and protect your data. However, this lock irks you when you forgot the Apple ID password. No worries, this video is going to provide 5 solutions to remove iCloud Activation Lock without password. Solution 1. Reset password to remove iCloud Activation Lock. Open a browser and visit I Forgot page. Type in your Apple ID and click on Continue. Fulfill your phone number and enter the verification code sent to your phone number. Then, check your mailbox and enter the code sent to your email. When your identity is confirmed, create your Apple ID password. After that, you could use it to unlock the iCloud Activation Lock. Solution 2. Unlock iCloud Activation Lock with Passcode. Click Unlock with Passcode beneath the Apple ID box and choose Use Device Passcode. Enter your screen passcode. If it fails, type in it again, and you can unlock the iCloud Activation Lock without Apple ID password. Solution 3. Safely remove iCloud Activation Lock without password. For whatever reason you can't reset your password or your screen passcode is wrong, you can use Joyoshare Activation Unlocker to remove iCloud Activation Lock without these passcodes. It is a powerful tool that concentrates on unlocking the activation lock on iPhone, iPad and iPod. No matter the iCloud Activation Lock screen, or the iPhone Lock to Owner screen, Joyoshare Activation Unlocker has the ability to get it bypassed with a high success rate. As the activation lock is linked with Find My, you could also take advantage of this program to turn off Find My without password. And, meanwhile, it is available to unlock Apple ID in different scenarios. Step 1. Download and install Joyoshare Activation Unlocker. On the main interface, click the disclaimer and read it to learn about the risks you will take. After clicking the Agree button, hit the Start button, and it will automatically put your device into recovery mode. Step 2. Follow the instructions on the interface to manually put your device into DFU mode. And the program will start to jailbreak your device. Once finished, you will see the Done button, which means that the iCloud Activation Lock is successfully removed with no password. Solution 4. Erase device remotely by contacting previous owner. Step 1. Ask previous owner to go to iCloud.com and log in to the Apple account. Step 2. Enter the Apple ID section and choose Find Devices. Step 3. Click the All Devices list and choose the target device from it. Step 4. Click the Erase iPhone option and fulfill the required information to erase all data. Step 5. After erasing, click the Remove from Account option to untie the Apple ID from the device. Solution 5. Remove iCloud Activation Lock via DNS. Step 1. After joining in a Wi-Fi network, tap the info icon next to the network you connect to. Step 2. Scroll down and find the Configure DNS option, and tick the Automatic option and tap Manual instead. Step 3. Select Add Server, type in the server address according to your location, and try to activate your device again. This is the end of this video. If it is helpful for you, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.